Welcome to the presentation of usBIM.resolver, the cutting-edge construction management platform powered by ACA. This innovative cloud service is designed to efficiently manage and organize various activities, particularly those involved in complex projects requiring coordination among multiple stakeholders. As part of the usBIM ecosystem, usBIM.resolver is a distributed cloud application accessible from any device, promoting seamless collaborative work. It integrates seamlessly with our browser, facilitating shared activities, assignment of responsibilities, and communication among all users via the integrated chat. Additionally, the application keeps a comprehensive history of all actions performed within it. With usBIM.resolver, you can effortlessly manage and track project activities using either a simple grid system or the classic Kanban board. The Kanban board features columns representing different phases of the workflow, such as in draft, to do, in progress, completed, and closed. Cards or tasks are easily moved from one phase to another as they progress, providing a clear view of project advancement. The application allows you to customize tabs with colors, tags, priorities, and due dates, enhancing visibility of scheduled tasks and their responsible managers. Now, let's delve into the advantages of using usBIM.resolver, focusing on how it effectively handles issue management using its cutting-edge issues tracking application. With usBIM.resolver, project errors and problems are transformed into topics and tasks, ready for prompt resolution. You can enrich these items with photos, texts, videos, and BIM models, thanks to the seamless integration with our browser. Furthermore, usBIM.resolver enables you to turn all BIM issues into manageable activities. Engage colleagues in discussions and keep them informed through the integrated chat, fostering collaboration throughout the resolution process. The application also supports setting deadlines, allowing collaborative problem-solving within specific time intervals, and maintaining a record of the problem until closure. Now, let's take a closer look at topics. A topic represents the subject of a discussion, providing a visual representation of a task's life cycle from inception to completion. By doing so, it helps identify areas for improvement, allows for task assignment to specific operators, and enhances overall project team productivity. Each topic is assigned a title, description, status, property, and possible deadline based on its impact on the project. Within a topic, you can create individual tasks, breaking down complex activities into simpler parts. Like topics, tasks can be defined with titles, descriptions, states, and priorities. Collections serve as repositories for organizing homogeneous topics, facilitating easy access and sharing with colleagues. For instance, you can use a collection to store all topics related to a specific project or client. usBIM.resolver caters to all project stakeholders, from inception to realization, verification, and maintenance phases. Specific application roles are available. Administrator, the creator of topics or tasks, having full management permissions and cannot be deleted. Responsible, entrusted with resolution permissions, sharing similar grants as the director, and can only be deleted by the administrator. Standard user, users with shared access to topics, tasks, and collections, actively participating in their resolution. Users involved in a task receive notifications via chat and email, including hyperlinks to the specific task. These notifications encompass various events within topics and tasks, such as adding participants, progress updates, or changes and deletions of tasks. Let's begin with an example. When logging into usBIM, access the application panel located at the top right and select usBIM.resolver. Now, let's explore how to create a new topic. Click on the Add button at the bottom right. A new window will appear, allowing us to define parameters related to our topic, such as description, title, expiration, status, and priority. We can immediately manage the participants we expect to be involved in the processes, and it's also possible to add or remove participants later. Additionally, we can assign tasks to each participant. For convenience in management, we have the option to assign the topic to an existing collection or create a new one if necessary. To suit our preferences, we can choose either the list or Kanban display mode to effectively manage the topics and their respective statuses. Within a topic, we can create and manage related tasks. Simply add a new task using the Add button. From there, we can easily manage the task's general information, deadlines, status, priority, and accordingly, the assignment of responsibilities to the participants involved. All information associated with topics and tasks can be organized and searched easily through metadata, particularly using #BIM labels. These labels aid in filtering topics and tasks efficiently. In usBIM.resolver, seamless communication and information sharing are made possible through the integrated chat. The chat offers traditional messaging features alongside advanced collaboration capabilities, including file sharing, large model sharing, and document sharing, all within a simple message. The application ensures historical traceability by tracking changes made at the topic and individual task levels. Let's go back to our example. We can add hashtags to our topic by clicking on the specific button and entering the desired tag text. You can add as many hashtags as needed or choose from the ones available in the drop-down list, including those previously used for other topics. Furthermore, we have the option to include images in our task. If necessary, we can also link it to any document or template stored on usBIM using the link function. In this scenario, we are utilizing the chat to share additional information with another operator, which helps us manage the task more efficiently. Based on their response, we can update the status of the topic from to-do to in progress. Once all the operations are completed, we can switch the status to complete. usBIM.resolver perfectly integrates with usBIM browser, enabling issue identification directly on models or documents, and creating new tasks without leaving the browser. Now, let's explore how we can reopen our example directly from the browser and learn how to generate and manage tasks that are specifically assigned to the model. Suppose we need to modify a design element of this model, we can simply open a new task for that purpose. The advantage here is that we can interact directly with the model and provide precise instructions using various graphic or text elements to convey the task's focus effectively. We have the option to specify the information textually within the task itself. Additionally, we can set deadlines, status, and priority for the task and even assign it directly to the relevant user involved in the project. Users can attach documents, comments, and photos to issues, facilitating access to relevant information without disrupting their work area. With this cohesive approach, usBIM.resolver becomes a centralized hub, promoting collaboration among all stakeholders to track and resolve critical project issues efficiently. By using usBIM.resolver alongside usBIM browser, the workflow to follow is straightforward. Identify the problem to be solved. Create topics and tasks. Manage participants. Update progress. Resolve the problem. Let's consider a specific example within a BIM process involving an exchange of information between two stakeholders. Assume there is an important conflict between the structural model and MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, within the federated model. To address this conflict, the BIM manager or a similar figure creates a task directly in the model, assigning it to the MEP operator responsible for resolving the contrast with the structural model. The task includes a deadline, priority, and explanatory graphics that highlight the problem in the model. The assignment is communicated to the MEP modeler, possibly via chat, providing a link to access the task details. Upon receiving the message, the MEP technician opens the link to view the task and its details. The interface shows the task and any related tasks, if applicable. The technician changes the task status from to-do to in progress when starting the editing job. Once the editing is completed, the task can be moved to the completed status. The BIM manager is notified of the task's new status, and they can open the task to verify the corrections made. If everything is satisfactory, the BIM manager can then permanently close the task. In conclusion, usBIM.resolver offers a range of functionalities that prove invaluable for various purposes, including reporting coordination and collaboration issues in design teams, highlighting critical issues found at construction sites, coordinating activities on a construction site, reporting aspects related to BIM design, addressing management and maintenance issues. usBIM.resolver sets the standard for effective construction management, streamlining project collaboration, and ensuring successful outcomes.